If you're into classic American cruisers, few names hit as hard as the 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible. This is one of those cars that doesn't just sit in history, it glides through it. Long, low, and unapologetically luxurious, the Electra 225 was Buick's statement piece in the full-size segment, and the convertible version took that statement and turned it into a rolling showcase of style, comfort, and road presence. Today, we're taking a close look at a sand-colored example that feels like it rolled straight out of a golden-era postcard and onto modern streets without losing an ounce of charm. Exterior. The sand exterior finish gives it a warm, almost desert-inspired tone that suits its personality perfectly. It's not flashy in a loud way, instead, it reflects sunlight like polished dunes, shifting slightly in shade depending on the angle you're viewing it from. The chrome accents run along the body with confidence, framing the grille, headlights, and side trim in a way that only 1960s American luxury cars knew how to do. At the front, the signature Buick grille dominates the face of the car. It's wide, detailed, and slightly aggressive, but still refined. The stacked headlights give it a distinctive identity that separates it from anything modern on the road. There's a sense of calm authority in its design. It doesn't need to shout to be noticed. The hood is long and slightly sculpted, leading your eye back toward the windshield and the sweeping roofline, or in this case, the beautifully folded convertible top. Moving along the sides, the Electra 225 showcases its full-size proportions in the best way possible. The sand paint highlights every curve and line, especially the subtle body crease that runs from front to rear, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's parked. The chrome side trim acts almost like a visual guide, emphasizing just how long this car really is. The wheel design keeps things classic, with period-correct hubcaps that complete the vintage look without overcomplicating it. Everything about the exterior feels intentional, balanced, and rooted in an era when cars were designed to make an impression before they even started moving. At the rear, the car continues its theme of understated luxury. The tail fins are minimal compared to earlier 1950s designs, but they're still present enough to remind you of Buick's design heritage. The taillights are neatly integrated, and the rear bumper carries just enough chrome to tie everything together. When the convertible top is down, the rear profile becomes even more striking, as the long body lines flow uninterrupted from front to back. It's the kind of car that makes people turn their heads not because it's loud, but because it's undeniably graceful. Interior. Step inside, and the sand-colored theme continues, but now it's paired with a level of comfort that defined Buick's reputation in the 1960s. The interior is wide, spacious, and designed to make both driver and passengers feel like they're sitting in something closer to a lounge than a car. The sand upholstery gives the cabin a cohesive, warm atmosphere. The seats are broad and heavily cushioned, offering that signature, American couch on wheels, feel, but with a level of craftsmanship that still feels solid and well-built. The dashboard stretches out horizontally, reinforcing the car's wide stance even from the inside. Chrome detailing is used tastefully across the instrument panel, giving it a sense of elegance without overwhelming the design. The gauges are simple, large, and easy to read, reflecting a time when driving was meant to be an experience, not a digital interface. The steering wheel is large and thin-rimmed, typical of the era, and it gives the driver a relaxed, unhurried connection to the road. With the top down, the cabin becomes even more inviting. The sand interior contrasts beautifully with the sky above, creating a calm, open-air experience that modern cars struggle to replicate. There's space to stretch out, enjoy the ride, and actually feel connected to the environment around you. Even the door panels carry the same sand and chrome combination, tying the entire interior together into a single cohesive design language. Performance. Now, when it comes to performance, the 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible isn't about speed in the modern sense. It's about effortless power and smooth cruising. Under the hood, this car typically came with Buick's large displacement V8 engines, designed to deliver strong torque and quiet, relaxed acceleration. When you press the pedal, the response is steady and confident rather than aggressive. It's the kind of power that feels like it's always available without ever being rushed. The transmission complements this relaxed character perfectly. Gear shifts are smooth and unhurried, keeping the driving experience consistent and comfortable. On the road, the Electra 225 floats more than it drives. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and imperfections in a way that makes long drives feel almost effortless. This is not a car that begs to be pushed hard, it encourages you to settle in, enjoy the scenery, and let the miles pass by. Steering is light, especially at cruising speeds, which makes handling this large convertible surprisingly manageable. At lower speeds, you feel the size of the car, but once you're moving, it settles into a smooth, straight-line confidence that was exactly what luxury buyers of the time wanted. Combined with the quiet engine note and soft suspension, the overall driving experience feels like gliding rather than driving. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing, both in its original era and in today's collector market. Back in 1964, the Buick Electra 225 convertible was positioned as a premium full-size luxury car. It wasn't cheap, but it was aimed at buyers who wanted Cadillac-level comfort with a slightly more understated badge. Adjusted for its time, it sat comfortably in the upper-tier pricing of American automobiles, reflecting its size, features, and luxury positioning. Today, things have changed significantly. Well-preserved examples of the 1964 Electra 225 convertible, especially in unique color combinations like this sand finish, are highly sought after by collectors. Prices can vary widely depending on condition, originality, restoration quality, and mechanical health. A driver-quality example might sit in the more accessible classic car range, while a fully restored, show-ready version can command a much higher premium. The convertible body style alone adds significant value, as it represents one of the most desirable configurations from this era of Buick design. What makes it especially appealing in today's market is that it isn't just a collector's piece, it's a usable classic. Unlike many vintage cars that feel fragile or overly delicate, the Electra 225 convertible still offers a driving experience that can be enjoyed on weekends, cruises, and classic car gatherings without feeling intimidating. That balance between presence and usability is a big reason why enthusiasts continue to seek it out. At the end of the day, the 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible in sand color is more than just a vintage automobile. It's a snapshot of an era when cars were designed with emotion, scale, and personality at the forefront. It represents a time when comfort was king, chrome was confidence, and driving was as much about experience as it was about destination. If you ever get the chance to see one of these in person, or better yet, drive one with the top down, you'll understand why it still holds such a strong place in classic car culture. It doesn't try to compete with modern machines. Instead, it offers something entirely different, a calm, stylish, and deeply nostalgic journey back to a time when the road itself was part of the luxury.